Have fun learning all about electronics with the Snap Circuits Junior Access Kit. With more than 30 different pieces, you can create over 100 projects, such as a sound-activated switch, a 2-speed fan, several electronic games, and an array of sound effects. This exciting kit includes an electronic breadboard, snap-together parts to complete circuits, a battery pack, assorted parts that do something once the circuit is completed, and a user's guide that provides easy instructions for each project. All parts have Braille labels, except those which are very distinctive and cannot be confused with other parts, like the battery pack, the speaker, or the fan blade. The Snap Circuits Junior Access Kit was developed by APH with generous cooperation and contributions by Elenco, makers of a wide variety of learning kits. Get in on the electronics fun today by getting your Snap Circuits Junior Access Kit at shop.aph.org. And that's your quick tip.